I'm so excited for this. Hello everyone! Welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And guys, today I want to do a first impressions slash try on swatch video on the Bomb.com palette. Yes, so this is by a UK brand named Joliebeauty.co.uk. I'll have it linked below. I saw Tati review this and I thought that it was the coolest thing. I thought it was so pretty and I was just like, I have to have it. I gotta have it in my life. I've gotta use it. So I bought it. It was $35. I think it was like 28 pounds online, which kind of like converts to $35. It's actually not that bad for what you do get in here. Now I have opened this. I haven't like swatched anything, but I have seen what it looks like and oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So I want to go through, try this out because I've not tried any of them. I don't know what the consistency feels like. I don't know if it's literally just loose glitter or if it's actually kind of like an eyeshadow or what. So if you would like to see me review this bad boy right here, then keep on watching. Let's just get started. Now I will say, when this came to me, this was packaged like Fort Knox. It was ridiculous, which I'm very like, I'm proud of. Like, I'm happy that it was like that. So it came in literally 5 different packagings. It was like, so this is like the cardboard outside that goes on top of it, and then it was inside a bag, and then inside another bag, and then inside of a box, and then another box, and I'm just like, jeez. But the thing is that it did come from the UK, so it did come international. So on the back here, it does have directions, and let me actually show you what it looks like first. So here is what the actual component looks like, the packaging. It's very pretty. I do love this color. I don't know what you would call it, like a rose gold. Kind of, it's very pretty, but here is what it looks like. It says Bomb.com on the bottom here, and then turning it over, it has all of the directions, stuff like that. This is vegan, which I think is absolutely amazing. But it says on the back to use a damp flat makeup brush or finger to pick up the glitter. It does say glitter. Apply in patting motions where you want to place a sparkle. Optionally, you can prime the area with a glitter adhesive for extra staying power. So I think that may be what we need to do. I have one right here. So let's just stop babbling on. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy because I want you to see it. I just dropped it. So I've got you zoomed in a bit more now. So let's go ahead and... Oh my god! Look at this. Like I said, I have already looked at this, but I can't even tell you how beautiful this is just looking at it through a camera. It is stunning. Like, everything is so pretty. I'm obsessed with every color. Let me zoom in further for you so I can get like a pan. So starting at the bottom here, they do have the names underneath, but you may not be able to see it just because the lettering is in gold and it's really hard to see with the background. So like the actual, this color, the background color. This is just beautiful, you guys. Like, each color is so different and it has a mirror in it. When I watched Tati's video, I don't think this had a mirror in it, so they must have updated the packaging. But guys, this thing is so it's breathtaking. Like, I may just be being over dramatic, but it really is amazing. And I've never used a loose glitter like this. Oh, let me go ahead and swatch one. Like I said, I haven't swatched any yet because I don't know what they feel like. So I'm gonna go into, let's do this pretty red here named Cherry Bomb. Okay, so it just feels like glitter. Like, it literally just, oh, wow. Oh my goodness, look at that. Do you see that right there? Wow. And can I swatch it? You can. Oh my god. It is glitter. Like, it's straight glitter, but it actually has a swatch to it. Oh my god. That's so cool. But like, well, I thought you may just be able to like flick it off, but it actually takes a little bit more to get it to come off. Now I have glitter flying everywhere. But I want to do an eye look with this. And obviously it's not going to be just this. I have my Urban Decay Born to Run palette right here with me. So I'm going to use some of the colors in this and then use the this palette for the lid for the glitter shade. So I'm very excited. I do have a glitter glue right here. This one's from Too Faced, which I would recommend using because I don't know. I mean, we can definitely give it a shot without the glitter glue, but I don't think it's going to stick without it. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna zoom you in so we can get started on the eye look. I already have my face done. Like, I have my foundation, concealer, brows, blush, all that good stuff on. I just don't have lips or highlight or any of my eyes done. I have already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay primer potion. I don't know if that was, I think that's okay because I'm assuming they think that you have to use regular eyeshadow as well. So a primer and then a glitter glue, I think it'd be fine, but I'm not entirely sure. So let me zoom you in and we'll get started. Hello. So I have this palette right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab my brush. I'm gonna go in first with the Morphe M518 brush, just a big fluffy brush right here, and I am going to take the shade Still Shot and Riff, these two right up here, and I'm gonna put these in the transition. Guys, if you have not used this palette yet, I would highly recommend it. It's a really great palette. I like it a lot. And then again, as you know, with all of my tutorials or first impressions, I haven't really come up with a look yet. This is all on the spot. I'm just not really planned out. I kind of like to wing things, which some people would not agree with. I just go with the flow. Alright, so that is about what we're looking for, just nicely blended out right here. So then what I'm going to do is I am going to take a larger, not a larger, like a smaller, like denser packing brush. This is the Morphe M506, and I'm going to go into the shade Punk right here. At the bottom, this really pretty brown, but it kind of has like a burgundy undertone to it, which is kind of weird but really pretty. And I'm going to take that and put it on the outer corner just to give it a little bit of depth. See? A little bit of depth right there. And then what I do like to do after I put down what I want, I'm going to go in with a large fluffy brush and literally just blend all of that out. And just, this doesn't have any product on it or anything like that. Just blend everything to where there's no harsh lines. Alright, so now we can go into this glitter glue. I'm going to just take a little bit on my finger, and I just mean a little bit because I'm not entirely sure how much we're gonna need, and I just meant like a teeny tiny little drop right there. And I'm going to just put this on the lid. I'm gonna be careful not to get it like, I just got it all in my eyelashes. Oh my god. And it is pretty sticky, which is what you would kind of hope for, but it is fairly sticky, which is nice. I'm going to take just a little bit more and really just place that all over the lid. So before that dries, I am going to go in to the Bomb.com palette, and I'm going to pick up the shade Cocoa right here. This really, really pretty brown, and we are going to, I'm going to pick it up with my finger, and we are going to pack this on the eyelid. Oh wow, yeah, it actually is working. Okay, gotta make really, really weird facial expressions. Now I don't know how to make this like opaque or like really blended. I don't know if it's supposed to be blended or what. I've never used like a loose glitter before, so But I mean, it's on there. Look at that. That's so cool. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the Born to Run palette, and I'm going to go ahead and just like touch up a few things and like kind of blend everything out. And then I just took a little bit of the shade Crowned right here. And then I just went on the inner corner just to brighten that up a bit. And then I think that's pretty much it. Like, I want to go ahead and just go into this a tiny bit more and then just kind of like make it super opaque. But I think that's what we're looking with. Let me go back in here with a little bit more of this champagne shade. Yeah, okay, that's not bad. So one thing that I do recommend with this is 100% use a glitter glue. And then number 2 is whenever you see right here, if you can see this, let me zoom you in a bit more. So whenever you're using these types of glitters like this, it's like really hard to make them super opaque, and you can see like up there, if you can see that it kind of like gets on top of the lip. But the thing is that my eyelid is very like folded over, it's very hooded, so I don't have a problem with that. You can't actually see it unless I like open it up, so that's fine. That's pretty much it on my end here. What I am going to go ahead and do is I am going to take this little fluffy blending brush again, and I'm going to take Punk and kind of put this on the lower lash line. And we're not putting any kind of glitter down here because I don't think that would work out very well. Just like that. And guys, that's pretty much it for the eyes. When using like a glitter like this, I don't usually like to do well, this is the first time that I've ever used glitter, but I'm assuming with glitter like this, you don't want to go in and do too much on the eye. You don't want to make the eye look too difficult because then the glitter can like get everywhere, or what was that? Or it won't blend as nicely. I don't know, but I'm gonna stop here while I'm ahead. And then I am going to do my other eye off camera, put on some lashes and liner, do my highlight and lips, and then I will come right back.
A few moments later.
Alright you guys, here is the finished look. As you can see, I went ahead and put my lips, highlight, mascara, and lashes on. I don't really have lashes on, I just put mascara on. But guys, this is it. Let me go ahead and zoom in for you so you can see the whole thing. So starting with lips here, this is actually a Morphe lipstick. It is the one that Nikita Dragun and Morphe collabed on. It's in the shade Dominate. Really, really good. And then here are the eyes. Now, I will say glitter is quite messy, so be careful when you're doing this so you don't get it everywhere. I do think that this came out really nicely for what it is. I will 100% use this palette again. I really, really like it. I didn't even, that inner corner shade, like that champagne shade, I didn't even need to put the glitter glue down for that. It just kind of stuck on there by itself, which was awesome. But yeah, I think it's really pretty. Now again, it will get up here if you're not careful, but I have a very hooded eyelid, so it doesn't really bother me any. But yeah, guys, this is the look. I absolutely love this look. Let me fix this. But yeah, I think this is very pretty. If you are someone that's never used glitter before, I would highly recommend giving this palette a shot. It has a ton of colors, and I think that they have came out, that's not good grammar, I think they have come out with more of these palettes with like different color stories in them, which is really, really nice. So yeah, guys, I 100% love this palette. I will definitely use it in the future. I think it's really, really good. I like it a lot. But yes, guys, that is going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. It was an absolute blast for me to film, but I am going to end the video here. I hope that you did like it. If you did, then please go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. And again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.